Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good whatever it is, and thank you very much for joining us here today on Coding with Sam and Luke. So, what this video is just a bit of an introduction to our channel. We wanted to go over some stuff. Unfortunately, due to COVID-19, we do have to socially distance, and that's why we're doing it over video call rather in person. So, hopefully, it works fine. We'll see if this video is actually uploaded or not.
It's not like this is our fourth, fifth take.
No, not at all. So, my name's Luke. I am a computer science student and I've been programming for years. I absolutely love working in Java and Python and I really enjoy teaching. Sam, what about you?
I'm Sam. I'm Luke with a beard, and I don't like Java.
There we go. That's the difference between us. One of us likes Java, one of us doesn't. But the thing we both share is our absolute love for teaching. Over the last few months, we've actually been teaching on some live streams, some live streaming service. But we wanted to move over to YouTube so we could get a much nicer community and an audience. And speaking of a community, we actually have created a Discord. So Sam, I'll let you talk about that.
Yeah, we have a Discord. Link below.
Or
Luke
there,
will probably do something fancy here
or
as
there
well.
somewhere.
Yeah, we're looking to build a kind of community where everyone can feel welcome. We're going to be running weekly programming challenges. Luke will talk a little bit about that in a second. We'll also be showcasing people's amazing projects and also notifying you guys when we upload a new video. So, yeah, feel free to join through the link, and we'll give us a shout, and we'll give you membership roles so you can see all the content on the Discord.
And because me and Sam are pretty much at our computers every day, all day, feel free to drop us a message as well. We like having someone to talk to.
It's sad but true.
So our upload schedule, ideally we want to be hitting at least 3 videos a week. So we plan on Monday having a lesson sort of content upload thing where we'll be starting with an introduction to Python. We'll be going through a nice long series to get you from absolutely no experience in Python to a awesome programmer, and we'll be doing loads of little cool things along the way. Friday, we'll be setting you guys a programming challenge to do, so that'll be every Friday you'll have a challenge to do over the weekend and week until the Wednesday when one of us or both of us will be doing a live code, sort of recorded live code answer to that challenge, and then we'll also be showcasing some of your guys' solutions if you sent them on Discord, what you guys have done well, what we're really impressed with, things like that, really cool things. And we're leaving the Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays and Sundays free for if we wanted to move on to content like making series. So for example, I might look at making a game in Pygame using Python, which would be really cool. Sam, you like a lot of networking stuff, so I'm sure you could probably do something like that.
Yeah. I was looking to do something kind of API based. One of my more recent projects, I built an API that I used in one of my projects, so that might be interesting. Building APIs in .NET Core. But in general, the kind of approach we're taking is not to limit ourselves in terms of the content we create. In general, we're taking the approach that if we've done something interesting with code, with tech, we want to share it with you guys. So we're going to show you.
Yeah, we're going to show you a load of random stuff.
Yeah.
Pretty much anything to do with computer science that's cool, we'll put it on the channel and we'll go over stuff like that. If you are new, if you've never worked in Python or anything before, please do check out our Python Getting Started video. That is a little mini series that should be uploaded the same day this video is uploaded, fingers crossed. And that will take you through having no experience in Python whatsoever to getting it on your computer with a IDE, which is an integrated development environment, which is something that we use as programmers to make our lives much easier when we're writing programming code. And I'm sure that Sam will definitely agree with me when I say anything we can do to make our lives easier, we will definitely take.
Because our lives are hard enough as is.
We have to sit down all day and program. It's so hard.
Yeah.
So, yeah, do check out that series. I'll be going through downloading Python. Then I'll be going over 3 interpreters that you can use to actually code Python. We'll be going over PyScripter, PyCharm, and Visual Studio Code. I will mainly be using PyScripter, and Sam will mainly be using Visual Studio Code in the tutorial, so we do recommend those two because PyCharm's a little bit more advanced and it's not as good for beginners. But I think that pretty much is everything that we wanted to mention. So thank you very, very much for joining us. Please do like, share, and subscribe this video. We want to get a really nice community of people learning to program and interested in really cool computer sciencey stuff, so we can do some really cool things in the future. Do leave us a comment as well, because we do absolutely love to interact with you guys. Please do join that Discord as well. And thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again very, very shortly. See you later.
Bye.